Hi, good, very nice.
Thank you.
I've been trying to take a video, but people keep gathering around the car. Can't get a clear shot. It's so nice.
Oh, thank you very much.
Very nice. That's my favorite year Camaro, 69.
Yep, my favorite color too.
Yep. That orange with white stripes 70 Chevelle over there used to be mine. So it's almost like a twin.
Oh, there you go.
Right there.
I have to go over and look. I haven't been there yet.
Yeah.
Big block in it.